What's going on, guys? I'm Zachary with Sell Those Flipping Cars, and I got some knowledge to put on you guys. Did you know that 75% of the U.S. population, the average median income is $36,000? That's $36,000, guys. That's $3,000 a month. Now think about when it comes to auto repairs, and think that your brakes are needing done. Okay, you go into an auto repair shop, they're going to ask for about $500 to $600 for rotors and pads and to bleed the system. Okay, that's $600. You make $3,000 a month. Now think about it like a bigger repair, right? A lady came to me a couple months ago and she needed her 2017 Volkswagen Passat oil filter housing replaced. Now the dealership quoted her $4,000. $4,000. It's crazy. And she was a single mother of 3 children. It's insane, guys. Why should you have to take out a personal loan to get your vehicle back on the road so you can make it to work? It doesn't make any sense. So check out my YouTube channel, guys, where I post multiple times every week DIY auto repair videos, step-by-step tutorials, guys, to walk you through these repairs, save yourself thousands of dollars, and get your vehicle back up and running. And it's all for free on my YouTube channel. Check it out, guys. I hope to see you there, and I hope to see you in the chat.